The Toyota Fortuner has always been known for its toughness, reliability, and go-anywhere attitude. And now, Toyota is getting ready to take things to the next level. The 2026 Toyota Fortuner is set to be one of the most exciting SUV launches of the year, bringing a bold new design, smarter technology, and even better performance. From the very first glance, the 2026 Fortuner demands attention. Toyota has sharpened its exterior with a more aggressive front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a muscular stance that screams power. It's built on Toyota's updated IMV platform, which means improved handling both on-road and off-road. This SUV isn't just about looking good, it's about taking you places. Whether that's city streets, mountain trails, or long-distance road trips, under the hood, Toyota is expected to keep its 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, but now with a 48-volt mild hybrid system on select trims. This upgrade will boost torque, deliver smoother acceleration, and improve fuel efficiency, a huge win for drivers who want power without sacrificing economy. There's also talk of advanced safety features and next-level tech inside, like a larger touchscreen, wireless smartphone connectivity, and premium materials for a more comfortable cabin experience. Now, let's talk about what everyone wants to know: release date and price. The 2026 Toyota Fortuner is expected to officially debut in early 2026, with sales rolling out in the second half of the year. While Toyota hasn't confirmed exact US pricing yet, industry insiders suggest a starting price in the $38,000 to $42,000 range, depending on the trim and options. Higher-end hybrid or luxury trims could push the price closer to $50,000. The 2026 Fortuner is shaping up to be the perfect mix of rugged capability and modern sophistication. Whether you need a reliable family SUV or a tough off-road warrior, this vehicle is ready to deliver. So, what do you think about the upcoming Toyota Fortuner? Would you take it off-road or keep it on the streets? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the latest updates on this game-changing SUV.